I insisted that he should apologise.
Doctors recommend that everyone should eat plenty of fruit. What do you suggest we should do? It's essential that everyone should be here on time.
Many people are demanding that something should be done about the problem.
It's essential that everyone be here on time.
I insisted that he apologise.
What do you suggest we do?
Many people are demanding that something be done about the problem.
It's essential that everyone is here on time.
I insisted that he apologised.
What do you suggest we should do?
Or,
What do you suggest we do?
Jane won the lottery. I suggested that she should buy a car with the money she'd won.
Or,
Jane won the lottery. I suggested that she buy a car.
or,
Jane won the lottery. I suggested that she bought a car. It's strange that he should be late. He's usually on time.
I was surprised that he should say so.
We have no jobs at present, but if the situation should change, we will contact you.
Should the situation change, we will...
Shall I leave now?
No, I should wait a bit.
I'm going out now. Is it cold out?
Yes, I should wear a coat.
I shouldn't stay up too late. You have to be up early tomorrow.